Clinical researchers, I wanted to do a video. I want your comments on this. I want to see comments. What is clinical significance in research as it pertains to research? And there's a lot of debate on this, which I don't honestly see how. Ultimately, at the end of the day, it's up to the PI to determine the clinical significance of any lab result, any other value that the patient is experiencing in the study. It's up to the PI, who's a trained physician, to assess clinical significance. I think where a lot of people get confused is the PI is also responsible for assessing the serious adverse event causality. And a lot of people mix the two, right? So the causality of an SAE may be due to the IP itself, may be due to the study design, right? That's what they're asking the PIs to assess in the SAE. Now, when it comes to clinical significance, I think the PI, the physician, should look at these results, whether they're lab results or ECG results or whatever the case may be, through the lens of a clinician and not the lens of a researcher. Because remember, their first duty is to the patient, to the safety and well-being of the patient. They should not let their involvement in the research influence their decision on whether something should be clinically significant or not clinically significant. That should be saved for the adverse event assessments and the serious adverse assessments, whether they are caused by the IP or the study in some way. So there's a lot of debate around this. I've had CRAs tell me and others both ways. I think ultimately it's up to the PI, but that's my rationale for what I think CS should be looked at.